पाक फौज का कहना है कि पाकिस्तान का एटमी प्रोग्राम मुकम्मल तौर पर महफूज है, कोई निशाना बनाने की जुर्रत नहीं कर सकता। तर्जुमान पाक फौज ने अल जजीरा टीवी से गुफ्तगू में कहा कि फितना अल हिंद बलोचिस्तान में मुल्क को गैर मुस्तहकम करने के लिए सरगर्म है। भारतीय सियासी क़यादत पाकिस्तान में दहशत गर्दी की पुश्त पनाही का एतराफ कर चुकी। भारतीय सरपरस्ती में होने वाली दहशत गर्दी के नेटवर्क का मास्टर माइंड अजीत देओल है। भारत के मजमूम अज़ाइम पाकिस्तान की सलामती बिलखुसूस बलोचिस्तान को गैर मुस्तहकम करने की मुनज़्ज़म साजिश करार देती है।
Important question is that who is the beneficiary over here by these acts of terrorism in Pakistan? It is India. Because what is happening here is the strategy of India is to keep the Pakistan embroiled in this menace of terrorism, so that the true potential, the true power potential of Pakistan is not realized, which is the destiny that we owe to the people of Pakistan, the 250 million people of Pakistan, that is not realized. And the power differential between the two countries keep on increasing, so that India can act as a regional hegemon, a bully, and can dictate its own terms. So this is the largest strategy. And it serves India very well. It is that ideal tool of terrorism, the state-sponsored terrorism, that India has therefore embarked as a policy against Pakistan. And if you see historically, it is not that it's being done for the first time, and it's not only in the last 2 decades plus this being done. If you go way back in 1971, what was Mukti Bani? That was also state-sponsored terrorism of India. And historically, if you see, Indians have acknowledged it. Prime Minister Modi went on record, not only acknowledged but boasted about it, that we use terrorism, we use Mukti Bani. On the other hand, what Pakistan is doing? Pakistan is not only fully committed to fight this menace of terrorism, we are also fully committed to uproot this extremism and address this extremism in the society, because India over a period of time has taken lot of advantage out of this drum beating of this extremism, this Islamic extremism in Pakistani societies. But what you have asked, to understand that, we have to first acknowledge and we have to first see that there is not one face of Indian terrorism. Indian terrorism in Pakistan has multiple faces. And I would like you to take briefly on these faces of terrorism with evidence that what India has been doing. So the first phase is this transnational killings, which in even the Canada, the Prime Minister, and in the America and the whole world is now saying that the Indians are involved. Pakistan, if you see, has come on record much earlier. This was in last year in 2024. These are the faces of the raw handlers.